Be ready and start. A. Reading of the above clearly shows that on completion of 3 months of continuous service as substitute teacher, the incumbent acquires temporary status too. It is also clear that substitutes who have required temporary status should be screened by the screening committee and not by selection board too. It is also clear that under clause 5 gaps which may occur in service of substitutes between two engagements should be ignored for the purpose of temporary status on completion of 4 months service and in case of teachers on completion of 3 months service. Further, it is clear that the date of appointment should be the date on which they attained temporary status in the event they are regularly absorbed stock, as is clear from the dates mentioned herein below, that the appellant having acquired temporary status on 4 March 1990 is entitled to count his service from 4th March 1990 in view of his absorption in the service as a primary teacher. So, the authorities are wrong in stating that in the case of the appellant, this court had not directed any special order regarding continuity of service of this court's order of 15th February 1996 has to be read with the order in the case of Srimati J.D. Roy. Stop. Nowhere in the order of this court in the appellant's appeal had the benefits available to the appellant under the master circular been taken away. Stop. In the case of Srimati J.D. Roy, by abundant caution, the master circular was referred to and the rights granted herein were reiterated expressly in this court's order. Stop. On the facts of the present case, we are not persuaded to accept the contention of the respondent that the order of this court in the appellant's case should be so read as having denied him the benefits of master circular stop. The appellants being identically situated with the other absorbees in the order could not have been discriminated and denied the benefit of his service from 4th March 1990 to the date of his absorption. Stop. The tribunal and the high courts have grossly erred in denying the relief by wrongly understanding the orders of this court and the legal position. Stop. We direct that the appellants will be entitled to take into account the past service rendered by him as substitute teaching in different spells from the date of obtaining temporary status. Stop. The appellant should be extended the same benefits as were extended to others who were granted continuity. Stop. The appellant has superannuated now. Stop. The pay of the appellant shall be refixed after granting continuity of service with all consequential benefits in accordance with clause 6